Acceptable time ranges for completing a 2.4-kilometer run. The time ranges are within minutes, and the age groups for men and women are as follows. Under 30 years, men 10 minutes to 13 seconds to 11 and 56 seconds. Women 12 minutes 36 seconds to 14 minutes and 26 seconds. Between 30 and 34, men is 10 minutes and 35 seconds to 12 minutes and 26 seconds, and the women is 12 minutes 57 seconds and to 14 and 55 seconds. Age group 35 to 39, men 10 minutes and 58 seconds to 12 minutes and 56 seconds, women 13 minutes and 26 seconds to 15 and 25 seconds. Age group 40 to 44, men 11 minutes and 12 seconds to 13 and 25 seconds. Women 13 minutes and 57 seconds to 15 minutes and 55 seconds. Age range 45 to 49, men 11 minutes 27 seconds to 13 minutes and 56 seconds. And the women 14 minutes and 26 seconds to 16 and 25 seconds. Range 50 to 54, men 11 minutes 57 seconds, 14 minutes and 25 seconds. The women 14 minutes and 56 seconds to 16 and 54 seconds. 55 and over, the men 12 minutes and 27 seconds to 14 and 56 seconds. And the women in the same age group is 15 minutes 27 seconds to 17 and 24 seconds.